Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows operating system. In the first step, we need to open Task Manager. Then on this window, click here to create a new task. Then select Browse button. Now we need to go to this PC. Then open C drive. Then open Windows folder. Now find out System32 folder, simply double click on it to open it. Then we need to find out cmd.exe file, select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Now on this window we need to execute some commands, so type these all commands carefully. Type in dism.exe /online/cleanup-image/restore health, and we need to hit enter to execute these commands. So this will take some time to complete the process. We need to wait for it, and once done we will simply move to the next command. Type chkdsk space c:/f space /r and hit enter. Type y and hit enter. Once done, type sfc space /scan now and hit enter. So this will also take some time to complete the process. Wait for it. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window. And in the final step, simply go to search bar and type Windows Memory Diagnostics, and from the search results simply click here to open it and select restart now and check the problem. So this will take a lot of time to complete the process, and this will fix your problem. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You are good to go.